Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. How do you guys like this type of background? I've switched up my background because I thought when I filmed it I was filming my last couple of videos in front of my wardrobe and it was just kind of plain, basically. Just plain white. And I had my like Pampers in the corner, but you can hardly really see it. And I didn't know whether it was just a bit boring, so I thought I would switch it up a little bit and do this angle of my dressing room as my background. Let me know how you guys like it, or if you prefer more of a plain background. Is this too distracting? Or should I make this more minimal, because I've got quite a few things on it at the moment. Let me know. I want to kind of like play around with different backgrounds and stuff, and yeah, just let me know what type of background you guys like to see. But let's just get into today's video, because that's what you're here for. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, it is a B&M haul, what's new in B&M type of vid. One of our faves. B&M is the holy grail of bargains. I mean, it's actually called like Bargains and More. I swear it's called Bargains and More. I may be making that up, but I swear Billy and I googled it a few years ago, like what B&M stand for, and I swear it said Bargains and More. But don't hold me to that. But it should be if it's not. Yeah, you guys know I love B&M, obsessed with it, especially this time of year. B&M literally shine this time of year. September to December is literally when they come alive. They have the best autumn decor, Halloween decor, Christmas decor, literally the best. They do really good gift sets for Christmas if you guys like don't want to spend a ton of money. Also really good for Secret Santas at work and stocking fillers, stuff like that. I actually kind of want to do a stocking filler guide with B&M kind of vid, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. Obviously that's not going to be until like Christmas time, probably like end of November, December time, so in the future. But yeah, I'm getting too ahead of myself. It's autumn, Olivia, but I feel like I've got Christmas on my mind because I actually did pick up a couple of Christmas bits. I know some people are literally going to absolutely hate that because some people are Scrooges. But as soon as Christmas decor comes in, or autumn decor back in July, I am the first one to pick it up. Because if you don't do the same, by the time you want to go and buy your little decor and stuff, it's going to be gone, it's going to be sold out, and they're not bringing it back. So who lost? You. Not me, you. So I think if you see something, especially in B&M because it's so cheap, like it's not expensive, guys. If you see it, just grab it, just get it, otherwise you're gonna regret it. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump in and show you guys what I picked up the month of September in B&M. In true Olivia fashion, my camera battery just died, so if the angle's a bit off to the last clip, that is why. But the first thing I picked up from B&M was this fruit bowl. How cute is this fruit bowl? I've been after a fruit bowl basically since Billy and I moved in January, and I haven't found one that I like. They're all just not nice, basically. And I saw this one in B&M and I just thought it was so cute. It's white, so it obviously matches my decor, and it's very minimal. It's heart shaped, which is just the cutest, and it's actually a really decent size. It's by like the brand Pastel Home, whatever that means, but it was only £3. It was in like that special buy section, you know, they have them special buy aisle kind of things or sections. It was there. So yeah, I picked this up, £3, literally great, can't go wrong, and it just looks adorable, so I picked that up. And the next thing I picked up, literally, like I said, so random, some Harpic Power Plus Citrus Fresh, 10 times better than bleach, gets to work in 5 seconds on lime scale. I picked this up because we needed some, basically. Ran out of bleach, and I normally just buy like the cheap bleach from supermarkets or whatever. And I saw this next to the bleach and I just thought, oh, I'll give that a go, see if it's actually any better. I wouldn't say it's any better. I wouldn't say it's 10 times better than bleach unless it does stuff that like I can't see, but the smell is really nice. So I think I like this for the smell because it is a really nice, strong, citrusy smell. So what I like to do is like pour this in the toilet. I don't know why I'm explaining how I use this, but basically what I do is pour this like round the toilet and then I shut the toilet lid. So when someone goes to the toilet and they open it, it smells really nice. You guys really didn't need to know that, but love it. It says max 10 actions, fast acting, lime scale, tough stains, rust, below water, dirt buildup, under rim, urine stains, 99.9% bacteria and freshens. So can you go wrong? Don't think so. And I think this was probably about £1.50. It was like, I think just over £1. So it's a bit more expensive than bleach, but I mean it's branded and I guess it's better than bleach. Who really knows? The next thing I picked up was also cleaning, and it's just this Flash Ultimate Bathroom Deep Clean Hygiene Spray. We were just out of our bathroom cleaner and so I just needed to pick up a new one. I've not tried the Flash Ultimate Bathroom before, but I've seen Mrs. Hinch talk about it, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Mrs. Hinch. Whatever Mrs. Hinch recommends, I'm buying. So yeah, grab this, and we used it, well actually Billy cleaned the bathroom a couple of days ago and it works really well. Like the bathroom literally was spotless. So love this, and I feel like this is gonna last us quite a while. It's a lot bigger than the bottle that we had before. I can't remember the brand that we used before. Oh, I can't remember. But yeah, I really like this, and it is in the scent Ocean Fresh. Impeccable lime scale and soap scum removal, kills 99.9% of bacteria and select viruses. That's what we like to hear. The next thing I picked up was just a Milka bar. Billy and I love Milka chocolate. We normally always get the Oreo Milka. We love like anything Oreo, or the Dime Milka. We love anything Dime. But we haven't had the plain ordinary Milka in literally probably years, because we always get a filling. So I thought I would just pick this up, and I mean we literally snack on chocolate every single night whilst we're watching Married at First Sight, or because it's only on Monday to Thursday if it's the weekend, a Harry Potter movie. So yeah, I picked this up. Also, another thing that I picked up from B&M, but it's not here to show because we've already eaten it, I picked up a pick and mix, because I don't know if it's just my B&M, but my B&M has now this pick and mix station that's actually quite big. It's the brand Candy King, so like proper pick and mix that the cinema does. And yeah, I literally loved it. I got the medium size, so it was £2.50. So good, because if you go in the cinema, I swear it's like a £5 for a pick and mix, and loads of selection. So yeah, I picked that up and surprised Billy, because we love a pick and mix. So we had that whilst we were watching Married at First Sight this week. So that's not here for me to show you, so sorry. But yeah, in case you didn't know, pick and mix is now at B&M. So if you're going to the cinema as well, you could literally go to B&M, pick up a pick and mix, pick up a bag of popcorn, and you're good to go, and it literally save you so much money. The next thing I picked up was these skinny chocolate crunch honeycomb bars. I've never had these before. I've had other of the skinny bars before, but not the chocolate crunch ones. I've had the ones with like the filling. What is that filling called? It's like a nougat. I don't know how to say it, but that kind of one, you know, like I think they've got like a chocolate orange one and a mint one. I think they're the only two that I've tried, but they're really nice. But these sound delicious. It literally sounds like a crunchy bar, and I love crunchy. So this is great. I thought this would be really good. Sometimes I just want like a breakfast bar. If I'm on my way to the gym but I'm starving, I don't want to eat a big breakfast, I can just grab one of these. And it says it's less than 99 calories. Oh, it says here it's 90 calories, so great. And it's high in fibre. So this is great, and I feel like this would be really good if also you are on a diet or watching what you eat. If you wanted it as a dessert, if you've got a sweet tooth like me, this might be good to have instead of chocolate as your dessert. So yeah, pick that up, and if I really like them, then I'll see what other flavours they have and pick some of those up. I think they're just handy to have in the cupboard. So they were £2. I think because they're the chocolate crunch ones. Some of the other ones were like £1.30, £1.50, but I think these ones, like this kind of selection, was the most expensive at £2. But yeah, great. And there's 5 bars in there, by the way. And then another thing by that same brand I picked up, which actually looks gorgeous. Guys, this is basically Lucky Charms, but a skinny version. A chocolate Lucky Charm skinny version. Guys, could this get any better? It's high in fibre. Now I don't have to feel guilty about munching on Lucky Charms 24/7. I mean, I'm probably still going to go to Florida and bring back Lucky Charms with me, but this is just great. So yeah, it's called Skinny Crunch, high in fibre, choco hoops and marshmallows, 96 calories. So that's great. Oh my god, guys. Look what is on the back. That is like a Lucky Charms hot chocolate. Oh my god, what does it say? Hot chocolate and marshmallow breakfast drink. Treat yourself bright and early to scrummy hot chocolate and marshmallow breakfast drink. This low-calorie cup of sweet chocolatey delight is the perfect way to warm up your morning. Prep time 10 minutes, calories 185. And then it gives you little recipe. So I'm going to hold this here and you can pause it if you want to make it. I'm actually going to try that. That sounds delicious. But yeah, I picked this up. I'm really excited to have a little munch on these. And I think these were about £2. I think they were like on offer for £2. So I think that's really good because it's quite a big box of cereal. So it will last you quite a while. But yeah, pick these up. Okay guys, now it's the fun stuff. Now it is all Christmas stuff. So I picked up 3 Christmas items. I'm so excited. So the first thing that I picked up was this candle. So the first thing I picked up was this candle. I can literally smell it from here. It smells gorgeous. I want to pick up a couple of these, but they only had one red one when I went in. They also have white ones and green ones, but I think they've got different scents, and I really like the red one. So I'm going to, when I go next into B&M, I'm going to try and pick up a couple more red ones. But this is just adorable. It's got a little, what's that called, like holly on it. It's just a little 1 wick. It's quite a small candle, but it is just gorgeous. And this was £2.50. It literally smells amazing. What does it say? Cranberry spice by this kind of brand, Juniper Woods. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but yeah, cranberry spice. Literally smells delicious. So I want to pick up a couple more of these. I think these will be really nice on the TV unit. Like maybe 3 of them. So cute. Obsessed. Guys, doesn't this just bring you so much joy? This time of year is just the best. The next thing I picked up were these Christmas tree decorations. I love these. How nice are these? They're so gorgeous. They're just 6 candy cane bauble decorations, and they were £3, so really inexpensive. So basically £1 for 2. But yeah, I just thought these would be really cute on the Christmas tree scattered around. I mean, we don't own a Christmas tree yet, because obviously this is the first year that we have our own place at Christmas, so we don't have a Christmas tree yet. But we have been looking online, and we know we want to get, we know what size we want to get, because we've been measuring this week on the biggest one we can possibly get. So yeah, and we said that we are gonna make sure we get one before we go to Florida. So basically we've got a week to get one. But yeah, I think these will be so gorgeous scattered around the Christmas tree. And yeah, they have some really, really nice Christmas decorations in, and I'm sure they're going to bring more. So I would definitely check out B&M for Christmas decorations, because they have like themes this year. They've got like a pink theme, a red and white theme, like a wood, like a dark green woodsy kind of theme. They've got really nice stuff. So yeah. Oh, I'm so excited to do like a proper Christmas decoration B&M shop and get quality streets and celebrations. Oh, so good. Also, them Festive Friends. Have you had them Festive Friends, them Cadbury's little biscuits? They're so good. They're just basically the Cadbury's animal biscuits, if you ever had them as a kid. I mean, I still buy them now, but they basically are the same thing. Gorgeous. And then the last thing that I picked up from B&M, my favourite thing, wrapping paper. And this wrapping paper is literally gorgeous. So this was £6 and you get 4 rolls of wrapping paper and you get 8 tags and ribbon. So these are the tags, little Christmas trees, and then that's the ribbon. And then these are the different wrapping paper. How cute are these? I am obsessed with this one. It's just loads of little people. There's like someone walking their dog, someone picking out a Christmas tree. So gorgeous. I think this looks really expensive. I feel like you could buy this in like John Lewis or something for a lot more expensive. So the fact that it was £6 for all of that, it is a bargain. I mean, I've still got quite a lot of wrapping paper left over from last year, but I have to get new wrapping paper every year. I literally cannot resist because they always bring out the cutest designs. So yeah, pick some of this up and I'm so excited to start buying some presents and wrapping them. That is everything that I picked up this month in B&M. If you want me to do this every month, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and let me know any other types of videos you guys would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!